Okay, this is John with Strange Technologies, and you are looking at a Slayer circuit that I built. Here's a schematic. Give you a little heads up on how it is built. As far as the electronics, not much to it, but a resistor, a transistor, and a diode. And I believe this is a 12 volt system and a 1.5 volt system. Here is the L2 coil on this side. L1 coil is a little disc down at the bottom, and then this one over here is the L3 coil. What this does is it transmits an RF signal, and as you can see, I've got some very small CFLs, and there's two big CFLs in a 12 volt deep cycle battery. When I hook up the battery here, you will see that the CFLs will light up, even though they're not touching. No wires hooked up. I can prove that by lifting this up, and they're at full brightness there. I tip them upside down, they get extremely bright, as you can see there. There's no wires, nothing on these. I can take this off here. Maybe. There it is. I'll just hold it in my hand. As you can see, there's nothing in my hands. And they light up pretty easily. Here's the other one here. Same thing. Pick it up and it's full brightness. And as you go further away, it gets dim. See if I can get this back together here without. There we go. And that's the whole system right there. Now, what I can do is take these bulbs away, and I will show you the plasma field at this little tiny circuit here. There's the circuit on the breadboard. What this plasma field actually can do, I'll move this one a little bit closer. This one a little bit closer. And I'm going to shut off the overhead light. And there's two little wires. You see this little wire sticking up right there? You can kind of see the blue plasma. When I turn off the light, you should be able to see it pretty good. There they are. That's the plasma. It's actually emitting ions, I guess it is. But they actually shoot out quite a ways. I'd say probably the one on the right is shooting out about maybe 3 millimeters. And if the battery is charged up a little bit more, it would shoot out probably a good 5 millimeters to 7 millimeters. I'll turn the lights back on. You can see. You can kind of see them a little bit. Now with a full battery, it does. I've been experimenting with this for a couple of weeks now, so the battery's a little bit low. I have to charge it back up. And then here in my hand is just a one LED, and it's got a diode, one in, one out, and as you can see, it lights up as I get closer to it, and it'll get extremely bright if I touch it. There she goes, really bright. You can kind of see. Maybe I can show it to you here. plasma. Yeah, the battery's getting a little bit low. But you can see that the light is lighting up. And there's no batteries in this at all. It's just I think it's a 1N418 diodes, two of them, one going in one direction, one going in the other direction, and it's soldered at the end to complete the circuit. And that's about all I got as far as the Slayer circuit goes. You can smell the ozone coming off of these little pieces of wire here. I can probably disconnect that, and what I do is I stick these, it's just a screw through a piece of plastic, and I stick them inside here, and you get a little further transmission as far as lighting the bulbs further away. Actually, I can light up this 4-foot fluorescent light with these. When I put a piece of all thread through it and extended it up probably about 6 inches on each one, and it lit up that 4-foot fluorescent hanging over the pool table. And that's about all I've got for now. This is John with Strange Technologies. Keep on watching my videos. Thanks.